Una good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Anytime wey dey watch me from, and wherever you dey, na the time I dey greet you so. Well done. I don come out. Me sef I say make I come chook my mouth talk. Make I advise parents. Make I advise school authorities. Make I advise the government about the happenings wey dey happen to our children. How we parents go suffer to make sure say our children go better school. How we go take suffer to see how their life dey better. Only for some children, only for some teachers, only for some staff of a school or a particular organization or association go come dey frustrate our efforts. They make our children life miserable. I wan talk on this matter about this 12-year-old boy Sylvester wey just die. When he follow students bully and beat this pikin, take chemical give this child, the child drink, only for them to call the parents, make the parents come carry am from body house. The parents carry am. Shortly after they carry am, the boy die. This one is not the first person, not be the second one. So many don dey happen. One other child too, a female, na so a teacher molest her, sleep with her, only for them to come call the parents, say come carry your pikin, she no well. The mother come, only for to notice say the teacher in that school, body house school, sleep with this girl. Even for get condom inside the girl body before they carry the girl go hospital, go do all the necessary medical tests wey they go do. At the end of the day, the child die. I ask myself why. Why? Make we keep our children inside house, make we not allow them go school. Why are teachers, why are parents with questionable characters of children wey get questionable characters, go they allow them to frustrate other people's children when mama and papa don't try train? And sometimes too, I won't put the blame for parents, I won't put the blame for parents' head. You wey born pikin so, if your pikin dey in danger, you go know. You no go know if you be in uninvolved parents. You don't involve yourself in things wey concern your parents. If you dey involve yourself in things wey concern your parents, your children, except you dey involve yourself in things wey concern your children. If you dey involve yourself with things wey concern your children, you go know. Okay, see the father of the boy wey just die. The father say the boy don't complain before. Say, daddy, somebody dey bully me. And the father say he just leave the boy there because his sisters dey there. Why you not take action? Parents, we should know that we are supposed to protect our children. Now we supposed to protect our children. Make I speak the pidgin English. Make even the one already on the street and the one already on the street. Make they hear them, because everybody get pikin. Everybody get pikin, everybody own. You go allow your children go school, even especially the ones where they go put their children for body house. Some of them go carry their children put for body house, forget them there. Even when they dey in difficulties, they dey for challenge. They go even, some of them go even cry, can't tell you. See one story when come up for internet. A child was begging her mother, practically begging her mother. She dey beg her mama, say, "Mommy, please come and carry me home. I cannot stay here again. Mommy, please, no, I beg, no leave me. Carry me go house." And the school authority will tell the mama, say, "No, you cannot carry the child. No, if you carry your pikin go house." Say the rules say you don't go fit carry your pikin go house except for some person for certain period. For wetin? Pikin when I carry come that school come drop. Now my school fees and my money they say they pay school fees. My pikin call me say she there for challenge or he there for challenge. Then you can't tell me where to come out my pikin for the school. That is how schools do. These days, that is how they do. At the end of the day, when things go wrong, they find where they go find the blame. Put for the pikin head. Say now the pikin do this, now the pikin do that. A lot of things are happening in all these body schools. Even in our environment. A child go come complain to you, "Mommy, my baby is paining me. My bum is paining me." You as a parent go say, "I'm sorry." So go and wash your bum. You as a mother, you don't go check and say, your bum is paining you. Your baby is paining you. Where is it? Which area? Let me check. Sometimes the pikin they try to pass a message across to you as a mother. Say, "Mommy, see my problem." Maybe one uncle, she cannot even tell you say now one uncle or one auntie, but she just give you sign say, "Mommy, my baby they pay me, my this they pay me, my that they pay me." You on your own, you go use your carelessness, say sorry. Every time you dey fast, you say sorry, no worry, you go stop or go take paracetamol. Everything don't be paracetamol. Sometimes a child is trying to communicate with you. She dey tell parents who should be observant. Make we dey very observant. No allow our children, we are supposed to protect them. Protect your children. When something happen to your children, no, make it look well. Protect them. Pikin go complain for you, say something happen for school. Take action immediately, no wait. If my pikin come back from school, come tell me say, mommy, somebody beats me, I will first thing I will ask, accepting you do. What happened? And I will try to know the extent of how that child or the teacher take beat am. If I begin to see marks when I know you like, or I begin to see injury when I don't like, I don't match my pikin go school. E better make I reach school, make the teacher or the owner of the school or the student tell me say no, madam, it's not be like that. Oh, it's not like that. They are just did like this. The child is taking it to be like that. Make I see and say maybe wetin my pikin dey talk, not be really wetin happen. That one better. Then I go say, oh sorry, go take paracetamol. Go take paracetamol. The pikin dey die. That is why a lot of our children no fit tell us anything again. They no fit communicate with us because they no say even they tell us from now till tomorrow. No, sorry. We no dey solve anything for them. We no dey solve anything. Now this boy don die go. The father don come back and say at one point in time the boy tell am say somebody dey beat am. Now see the boy why he was at the verge of dying. He on top of bed when he wan take die. Now the mama dey say God will fight your battle. God will fight those people. Those people. Where do my son this one? Why you dey bring God there for this matter? Why you dey bring God there for somebody do your son something? Your son is at the verge of dying. You go call on God. Say make God may they wait for God. Mother, take action. Take action first. As they take and they go, God go dey back you up. You cannot sit down and expect your child to be dying and say, God will fight your battle. God has been fighting the battles, but sometimes the battle said, may you start the fight. So that God will not say, this one is no one take a joke. Even God say, but sometimes when we intensify our prayer, when we pray well for her, he go answer fast. This the matter they pain me. A lot of children are suffering this, especially for body house. When I look at these situations of what is happening, I fear to say my pikin go body house. Because the one I don't try trade, I don't manage pray, I don't imbibe so many good values into them. One picking, one corner with questionable character, questionable upbringing. Go come begin to the is still characters when I notice my picking. All these matters. Where are we heading to? What is happening to us? What is going wrong in this country? What is it? We are dying of hunger, starvation. Then we the one another wahala. Where we say our children cannot have peace. You go see now a 10 years old child die, 12 years old child die, 14 years old child die, 16 years, 8 years because of you said your pikin go school. If you cannot go to school, they pay plenty money, now still the same thing. You cannot go to the one where they pay plenty money, now still the same thing. All the schools, all of them they happen. Make we they watch our children. Let's be talking to our children. Talk to your children. Your children come back from school, ask them question. What happened in school? What happened? What do you do? And make sure anytime your pikin complain, take action. Make it be for the school they know you say, this woman, every time she dey come complain, make them know you like that. Because if they try nonsense with other people children, your own they go avoid your own. Because they know say you go work out come school to come know wetin happen. That is what we should do for our children. That is what we should do for our children. There are so many parents, uninvolved parents. There are so many parents that feel that the high and the mighty, what they can give their children is luxury. No morals, nothing. School should not be all about education. It should not be all about learning. It should not be all about Cambridge. Make it not be all about Bukuru. Morals, wetin be the thing they teach the pikin? The lifestyle of the child. How the child go face society, the good and the bad, where the child go know, the do's and the don'ts. What are we teaching? What are schools teaching the children? What are parents? What are family members teaching the children? Those are the things or other areas that encompass education. All those ones they follow for book where pikin is supposed to go learn. Not be say pikin carry first, pikin carry first. He carry first. He don't get parental upbringing. He don't get good morals. You go see a child, you go school now. You go see children now, they bully another person's children. You go see small picking of 5 years, they beat another person picking of 3 years. They push her now, they slap her. And it goes around. It goes around. You go see a student under the umbrella, she says she's a prefect. Go flog I won't follow student. They give you position as a prefect. It doesn't mean that the prefect is for you to go and flog another person's child. These are the things we complain. We don't know where our education is going to. We don't even understand. Because I weep. When I watch the internet, I weep. I cry. Look at that young boy. His birthday was just a few days ago. He's already dead and buried. That boy should have been alive. What about the girl? how. You go train your pikin, you go teach am about sex. No do this, no do this. But the child will be exposed to dangers of teachers, of staff in the school, academic and non-academic side, coming to molest the child. Child abuse. Is it in our environment? Is it in our house where we bring uncles and aunties, domestic servants to come and we will just be uninvolved? We no go care for our parents, leave them to the hands of neighbors, hands of domestic servants, hands of uncles and aunties, so-called uncles and aunties to come and endanger the life of our children. Pikin wey never know anything, e no dey even dey allowed to expose himself to watching things that are for adults. One auntie or uncle go dey one corner, dey spoil the pikin. It's all rampant. It's there everywhere. Father go dey molest. A girl came out. I was speaking of our father. Our father dey sleep with her for 14 years to 21 years. What are we talking about? What are we talking about? You go school, you no good. You come house, you no good. You there for church, you no good. So what is it? What are we talking about? We cannot send our children out again. Should we not lock our children from morning to night? They should not associate. They should not socialize. What is really happening? What is really happening? How can I pay money as much as the amount I'm paying, the parent is paying for a child's education, and what did the child come back with his debt? Almost half debt. And a few days after the child